Hi everybody, welcome to EDU 204, Technology in the Classroom. So I've opened up the Blackboard shell, and this is the video you found in the Start Here portion of Module 1. Alright, you've already looked at the syllabus at this point. If you haven't, go back and look completely over the syllabus. This is August the 15th, 2022. And it's the fall 22 school year. So I have the assignments here for this week. The end of week 1 is the 21st, August 21st, Sunday at 11:59. That's when you have to have Journal 1 and Journal 2 turned in. You also have a lot of reading to do, and you need the book to look at. So I have in this course, I'm in the process of getting an ebook with a course charge, but currently you have to purchase this book. And the Barnes & Noble bookstore on HTC's campus has the book. You can get it there. You could get online and try and find a used one or rent one. However you get it, you need to get a copy of the book during this week. And then you've got these assignments that are due. You have to do this reading here for week 1, and then there are readings in the book that you need to have completed by the end of this week as well. So the best way to get in contact with me is to email me. My email address is on the syllabus there. You can also message me through here through the Blackboard course, but if you do, make sure you check the box that says send as an email also, because then I won't know that you're messaging me. But go ahead and get started with Module 1 and let me know if you have any questions. So I'm excited about this school year. I'm excited about the technology class here. I've taught it once already. This is the second time to teach it. I'm looking for ways to improve it. One obvious way is the book is going to be updated and have an ebook. But the things that you're doing, feel free to give me feedback as this course develops and improves. So let me know if you have questions. Make sure to read the syllabus. At the beginning of the syllabus is the syllabus checklist that I have to turn in. I just included that as part of the syllabus. Just I didn't take it out, just so you can move through the first 2 pages, and then the syllabus starts where my information is. And then also on this Journal 1 pre-analysis, if you don't know what a SWOT analysis is, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, you can click this link, and there's a explanation there that you can look at. All right. Good luck in this online endeavor, and I'm going to try and make videos as we're going throughout the course to help give a face to me as the instructor. But always feel like you can reach out to me in this online environment. And I'm gonna work to open up the remainder of the modules over the next week, so you'll be able to move through the modules at your own pace, as long as you're meeting the due dates, which means pretty much you have to do stay on track, and then you can work ahead if you feel so inclined. All right, everybody. Well, have a good first week.